Hello folks and welcome back to another video. In this week's video you join me inside a container, but this isn't any container, this is actually my container. I've just got this, so let me tell you what it's for. So if you've watched one of my videos before where I'm working on my cars, it's usually on a driveway on stones and stuff, and I've wanted my own space for the longest time, so that's why I've got this. So it looks like a basic container right now, but this is going to get lights on the roof and plug sockets and switches put on the wall there. Now this is going to be the home for the Escort over the winter, so it's just going to sit somewhere in here. It's enough space for it. So not only will I be able to work on the Escort here, I'll be able to do some car detailing here as well. I'm going to get a bench lined up along the back, put my kit there and stuff, and I've got a little space out the front as well. So this is outside the container. I've got this sort of concrete tarmac area out here, enough space for a car, so I can work on cars out here and have the Escort in here with some workshop stuff. So I've actually brought the Escort along. It's jam-packed full of stuff to go in this container, so that's what we're doing in this video, trying to make this container a bit more my own. Let's do this. So the first job was to give the container floor a good sweep out. So that's the floor pretty much all clean, looks much better than it did. And the reason I've done that is because I've got foam mats to go down on the floor. I don't think I'm going to have enough, in fact I know I'm not going to have enough. But we'll try and get as much in as we can, so let's start laying the floor. So it's clear that I need more flooring, but it's a start, it's something. But I've got something to put up on this back wall that I've had in my room for months now. I had to buy it from an antique website, and it's really cool and it goes very well with the Escort. It's this giant, genuine original Ford dealership Ford Escort Encore poster. Now this was in a dealership back in the day, back in the 90s. But this is the exact Bahama blue that is on my Escort. This is what my Escort would have looked like coming out of the factory. Obviously, I've put the RS2000 kit on it, but this is really cool. So I've had this in my bedroom for probably a year now, but just look at how cool it is. Special edition Escort Encore. So this is going to go on that back wall. So let's get it up. Now actually seeing it up on the wall, it looks absolutely tiny, but in person this is pretty big. Like, it's just a container that makes it look small. It is a big poster, like, so I'm just going to put an extra few glue dots down on the back of this, and then that'll be that one up. So what I've ended up doing with the flooring is just doing 3 rows of it here, and then just ending it nicely with one of the wee edging bits. So that's pretty cool. So we've got a little bit of flooring. So the original plan was to build a custom bench at the back of the container, but I was in Halfords picking up some new flooring and I found this. It's a shelf, but it can also be put into a sort of bench shelf thing, so I'm going to see if it'll work. It was £26, so we might as well try it. So let's build this. From the time lapse it looks like it's really easy to put this thing together, but I can assure you in real time this was an absolute nightmare to do. And even on the box it says it's quick and easy to build, but I can assure you it's not. But once you get the base going, it's not as bad after that. Right, it's now a new day and we've got more flooring for the container. So I ended up getting 4 more packs of the flooring, so hopefully that should be enough for the container. But there is now a problem. The Escort is now in the container, but I can't get it out because there's a van right in front of my container. So we're not getting it out, so we're going to have to try and work around the Escort, move it back and forward, side to side, to try and get the flooring underneath it. So as you can see, when the car is in here, it's pretty tight, so we're just going to have to move it forward to get into here, backwards to get into the front of it. So we'll just try our best and see if we can get it all in. But let's get into this. And that is the flooring for the container complete. It still comes up a little bit short, but that's okay, it still looks decent. So we can come right the way back. It's all over the floor here. Decent, we still need to tidy all this up. But aye, so it goes under the car as well, right up to where it goes there. So that is pretty decent. All that's really left to do is sort out this bench and shelving, get all of this sort of stuff tidied into there. So let's do it. And that is the container pretty much done for the moment. It's pretty much pitch black outside. Well, there you go. I can't actually show you the finished product in there, but what I can show you is this little cool thing about the bench. Ready for this? Oh yeah! Got some LED strips on the back of the bench, so it lights it right up. It does light the container up a lot. And these are pretty cool, like they've got loads of different colours. You can what LED strips are like, but it's really cool. So we can put it to loads of different colours, there's yellow and stuff. So as you can see, we've got pretty much all of the storage bit done, but I'll wait till the morning to show you it all properly. So I'll see you in the morning. Right, it's now the next morning. Let's take a look at the final product. And there we have it, we have made this shipping container a bit more like a little workshop. So we've managed to fit the Ford Escort in here, get a bit of flooring down as well, and then even have enough room for a little workbench at the back. So a little closer look at the bench and what's on it. So on this bottom level here, we have my extension cable, extractor and Henry Hoover. Next to that we have stuff for cleaning the outside of the cars, so we've got my snow foam, shampoo and tyre dressing at the back, my bucket with all my stuff in it, and then my brand new Karcher pressure washer. In this little corner here, we've got this basket. This has just got loads of spare cleaning stuff. We've then got my connections for that extractor. We've got my Autoglym basket there. And then we've got my Meguiar's kit bag. That's got loads of cleaning stuff in there that I couldn't store up here. Then on the second level up here, we've got loads of cloths. We've got my bag with my drill in it. Then we've got polishes and my polisher. And then on the top level, we've got my massive Sky speaker there. That puts out an amazing sound. My Ryobi battery charger. Then these two little photos of the Escort, they were just sitting in my room doing nothing, so I put them up there. It does look a bit bare up here, but I think I might get a kettle and stuff if I'm ever wanting a cup of tea and that. And then up there, we've got the original Ford dealer Escort Encore poster, which is pretty cool. So it matches the Escort that we've got in here, which is very cool. So yeah, that's where we're up to with the container garage. I'd say it's pretty cool for what we've managed to do in only a few days. So we've got a floor, we've got a bench up the back, loads of storage, and we've managed to fit a car in the container, which is really cool. So thank you very, very much for watching this video. If you do have any recommendations for what you would like to see done in the container or done to the container, please let me know. I can't drill into the walls or anything, obviously, but let me know if you have any ideas. But thank you very, very much for watching this video. Please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new or you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.